Hello, my wonderful people. Long time, guys. Let's catch up in the kitchen. Guys, from tomorrow till Monday, we have holiday. We have, everywhere is closed. Monday also is closed. So, I have to go and buy some little thing. Little thing. Hi, guys. Woo. We are going to be making roasting plantain and fish, guys. I'm waiting the hungry me today. Did you wear the hungry me today, guys? So I just want to and I'm working tomorrow, so when my son comes tomorrow and she will eat pizza because I'm working in the morning, so I will not be around. I need to check if they have so milk. Hello, guys. Yes, I think tomorrow we are going to make some grill. For some things we're going to be making grill tomorrow. Some grill. Tomorrow. So how on a day? Anger is weekend, oh, it's a weekend. I need this one now because I want to. I need this one now. Hello, long time, guys. So, I'm making some fish. Let's go live a little bit, guys. Long time ago, it's been long. It has been long. It has been long because of long video. It's not this. No, only me to eat. Trust me. I just want to make something for me. This is red fish. Let me just take one. Nice. Which one is bigger? I need the bigger one. Not only me. Plantain. So not only me chop them. Guys, if you people want me to kneel down, I will kneel down. No. Huh? Make una the comment on my video, my guys. You see frozen? I'll just mix something and allow it to defroze. Guys, how on a day? How on a day? How on a day, guys? I don't want this video to be long. So how on a day? How on a day? How on a day? I'm gonna allow this thing to merge before making it. I need only two, like I said, I need only two. I just one on my fufu now. What I have to do, because you know when you peel this, you use sustained hand, I have to put some hot water on it to wash it. So guys, how on a day? Long time. Yes. Give me some minutes, I'm coming, guys. I'm gonna show you some. So guys, this is the bag I posted. Okay guys, very nice, handmade. Okay guys, very good for this summer. So if you want this bag, just like I dropped, let me know. Okay, look at it. Look at it. See, it's very portable, very nice quality. And guys, my hand, I'm gonna wrap it with wool. I can't buy this thing. Guys, as you can see, you have it. It's on all kinds of colors. Any color you want, let me know. Okay, your choice, the color you want, please. I have posted it, and let me know. Guys, it's affordable. It's affordable. Just let me know, on the comment section, or you can send me message, SMS, what they call it, on Messenger. So this is it. I will continue to be advertising this. Okay guys, so it's very nice. See the design. If you want it in black, white, pink, red, yellow, just name it. Okay, just name it. You will see me rock this bag. Just name it. Drop your comment and tell me. Okay guys, yes, as far as anywhere you live here in Norway, I will just add your money for posting. You will get it. Huh? You will get it. Remember, I am a Ratel. So guys, let me leave you people. I don't want the video to stay long, okay? Maybe I'll come back again, or I post when I'm done with this food. So yes, I love you.